Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Serum. This product retails for $40. So Glow Recipe is one of my all-time favorite brands. I've tried so many of their products on this channel and I'm very excited to be trying out another one. When I heard that Glow Recipe was releasing a salicylic acid product and also a strawberry product, because they are really good about incorporating fruit into their products, and I've noticed that they haven't released one, this product I am very excited about. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Some of the highlighted ingredients in this product include a 2% concentration of encapsulated salicylic acid, mandelic acid, strawberry, azelaic acid, and succinic acid. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description. So this product does say that you are able to use it both day and night. It does say once or twice a day, which is kind of open-ended. It kind of just leaves it up to you as a consumer to decide how your skin reacts to this product and how often you can tolerate it. Personally myself, I think I'm going to try using it once a day. If that's too much, then I will ease off of it just a little bit. I'll just kind of go with how I feel as this trial progresses. If you are new to using actives, then I would recommend starting out using this once a week and kind of build up from there. Even though they say you can use it a certain amount of times, everyone's skin is different, and it's really just important to listen to your skin and not overstrip it. That does go right along with one of the big things I'm looking for with this product, which is, does it cause any sensitivity? And alongside that, how often do I feel like I can use it? Anytime that there are this many actives in a product, I am really big on making sure it doesn't cause any sensitivity. Glow Recipe has done amazing at incorporating so many great ingredients in this product, but that is something that could cause sensitivity to certain skin types, so I will just be curious if I experience any sensitivity with this product. Another thing that I'm wanting to look for is just to see what results I find with it. I do want something that will balance my acne and also not dry out my combination skin. They have done an amazing job at also incorporating some hydrating ingredients to kind of counteract these actives that are loaded in this product. So I will be curious to see how the ingredients translate to the performance of it, and also just see how this product is, because I am very excited to try it. It's very unique to me, and I feel like that this will be a powerhouse product if I get the results that I'm expecting with it. As always, I will be doing check-ins with this product, and if I notice anything else, I'll let you all know. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product and also use it for the very first time on camera. So I've been using this product for just a couple of days now, and I was very surprised by how gentle this product is. I have been using it both day and night because after the first time I used it, I was like, I didn't experience any sensitivity with it. It does tell me that this was formulated to be just a little bit more gentle, and I do feel like that sensitive skin could use this product, even though it does have a lot of great actives in it. I would start out slower than, of course, twice a day. I always feel guilty talking about packaging on this channel, but I mean, let's just talk about it. You know, when a product has strawberry in it and it actually looks like a strawberry, like they actually have little like indentions for seeds, I'm just like, come on. Anyway, enough about the packaging. Let's talk about the product. I have experienced just a little bit of texture come up on my skin. You can't really see it right now on camera. This product is causing just a little bit of purging, but I don't think that's a bad thing because it means it's bringing out all of the acne that was under my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and use this product. It only takes about 1 to 2 pumps of this product to go all over my face, and it also does smell really good. Glow Recipe does have just a small concentration of fragrance in this, so if you are sensitive to fragrance, then make sure you're just careful about this product. It is very impressive to me that this product does have all of these actives and fragrance in it, and it doesn't cause any sensitivity. Usually on paper, I would say like that would usually cause sensitivity, but feeling it on my skin, I felt no stinging, no burning, no anything on my skin after using this product. And I did also just shave, so that is really impressive. Glow Recipe has really made this gentle. Even though it does pack a punch with ingredients, it's not abrasive, and I really like that. So I am going to continue using it for just a little while longer, and then I'll probably check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all my final thoughts on this product. So I was able to use this product for about a week and a half, and I did have a really positive experience with it, especially after all of the purging stopped. This product did cause just a little bit of purging, which is usually typical for me with products that have azelaic acid in them. For some reason, azelaic acid always just makes me purge, but after I get through the purging period, it is usually pretty good. Purging only lasted about a week, so it wasn't anything too crazy. Now my skin feels really good. It's really smooth, and my acne has stopped coming up. The big thing that really surprised me about this product is actually how gentle it was. Like I said, I've been very vocal about this throughout this video, but with all of the powerful ingredients in this product, I wasn't expecting to be able to use it every day, twice a day. I was expecting for this product to be a little bit more sensitizing, especially because it does have a lower concentration of fragrance, but it still has fragrance in it. And also it has so many great actives in it. Like it has BHA, it has AHA, it has azelaic acid. All of that combined, I was just a little bit worried about it, but after experiencing this product for a week and a half, I experienced no sensitivity whatsoever. And that's another reason why I'm always the type of person that has to try out a product first before I can truly decide my full opinion on it, because even though the ingredient list can say one thing, it really is dependent on how this product is formulated and everything that's taken into consideration to balance out those actives, and also where those actives are derived from. So I'm really glad that I did give this product a try, and it has honestly become one of my favorite exfoliating products because it is one of the most gentle exfoliating products I've used, especially combining both BHA and AHA. Like, this is really a top tier product in my opinion. I think that everyone could use this product, but I would definitely recommend, if you do have more sensitive skin, to start out slower with this product. Even though I didn't experience any sensitivity, I don't necessarily have sensitive skin. I am used to using actives, so if that's not something that you're used to, I would definitely recommend starting out slow, maybe once a week. I don't know. I feel like this product you could start out like twice to 3 times a week, just depending on how your skin reacts to it. It could be a little bit of a shock, but it does have a very moisturizing benefit to it. Like, it does feel very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't pill, or it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It doesn't cause any excess sensitivity to my skin. It is also hydrating in a sense though. Like, if you have used any of Glow Recipe's other serums, it is very similar to that. The one that I'm specifically talking about is actually the vitamin C serum, but all of their serums kind of have a similar feel to it. It's very luxurious, very hydrating, and I actually really like the fact that they have combined so many actives in this very gentle serum. Just be very careful when introducing this into your skincare routine, because even though, like I said, no sensitivity here, they are still actives and you need to be careful with them, and you can easily oversensitize your skin. What works for me will not work for everybody, so I'm just telling you my personal opinion on it. I would 100% recommend trying out this product. I've said this before on my channel, but Glow Recipe does make some more expensive skincare, but it is an investment, and if you are willing to invest in a very gentle yet effective BHA and AHA product, this is amazing. This is a great option for you, and I am very glad that I personally tried it because I'm always looking for new BHA and AHA products. The fact that this is kind of a very easy one product that combines both of those, it really just adds to why I really like this product. So the bottom line is, I would recommend this product. Glow Recipe did an amazing job formulating this, and I'm so glad that I got to give this a try. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.